Welcome back to AI Banter today, where we will explore the exciting world of AI in your kitchen, the future of smart cooking. In today's video, we will chef up and discuss the transformative impact of artificial intelligence technologies on our everyday cooking experiences today. From simplifying meal preparation to enhancing culinary creativity, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach food in our kitchens. What is the significance of AI in transforming everyday cooking experiences? Let's toss it in the frying pan. Imagine having a personal sous chef that can assist you in every step of the cooking process, from meal planning to grocery shopping and recipe execution. AI technologies are making this vision a reality by streamlining cooking tasks and providing personalized recommendations based on your dietary preferences and culinary skills. With AI, even the most novice cooks can feel confident in the kitchen, while seasoned chefs can explore new techniques and flavor combinations with ease. Let's discuss and review the varying innovative AI technologies of smart cooking. In this video, we will showcase a range of cutting-edge AI technologies that are set to redefine the way we cook. From smart kitchen appliances that can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand to AI-powered cooking assistants that can adjust cooking times and temperatures in real time, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to discover how AI is revolutionizing the culinary landscape and empowering home cooks to unleash their creativity. Let's dig into the engaging blend of practical advice and futuristic concepts AI is baking. Whether you're looking for practical tips to streamline your meal prep or curious about the latest advancements in AI-driven cooking, this video has something for everyone. We will strike a balance between offering actionable advice that you can implement in your kitchen today and exploring futuristic concepts that may shape the way we cook in the years to come. Join us on this culinary journey as we explore the intersection of technology and gastronomy, and unlock the potential of AI in your kitchen. But, first, please subscribe to our channel to get even more cutting-edge AI banter to keep you at the forefront of this amazing technology. Go ahead and hit that like or dislike button too, we gauge our content from your feedback. For that, we thank you. Now let's get back into it and check on the next level kitchen assistant. How about an AI-powered kitchen assistant? In the realm of modern cooking, AI-powered kitchen assistants are taking center stage, revolutionizing traditional culinary processes and enhancing efficiency like never before. These intelligent assistants are not just gadgets. They are culinary companions that can transform the way we approach cooking tasks, from meal planning to recipe execution. How about a chef virtually on demand? Let's look at the professional chef world when it collides with streamlining. Streamlining recipe recommendations and cooking instructions are other ways AI is elevating the culinary world. One of the key roles of AI-powered kitchen assistants is their ability to streamline recipe recommendations and cooking instructions. By analyzing your dietary preferences, ingredient availability, and cooking skills, these AI assistants can suggest personalized recipes that cater to your tastes and skill level. Gone are the days of sifting through endless cookbooks or websites for inspiration. With AI, you can access a curated selection of recipes tailored to your needs with just a few taps. What are some other benefits AI can mix into the culinary world? One benefit of AI is the ability to optimize ingredient measurements and cooking times. AI assistants excel in optimizing ingredient measurements and cooking times, ensuring that your dishes turn out perfectly every time. By combining data analytics and machine learning algorithms, these assistants can calculate precise ingredient quantities based on the number of servings you desire and adjust cooking times to achieve the desired level of doneness. Say goodbye to overcooked steaks and under-seasoned dishes. With AI, you can achieve culinary perfection with ease. How amazing is AI culinary optimization? Make sure you watch this video until the end to see all of the amazing ways AI is affecting our culinary world and taking it to new levels. Now, let's have a look at how AI will disrupt the culinary tools of the trade. Examples of AI-powered kitchen devices like Smart Chef and CookBot are revolutionizing the culinary world. Two standout examples of AI-powered kitchen devices are Smart Chef and CookBot, which have been making waves in the culinary world. Smart Chef is a smart kitchen appliance that can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand, while CookBot is a robotic cooking assistant that can chop, stir, and sauté ingredients with precision. These innovative devices showcase the potential of AI in enhancing cooking processes and empowering home cooks to create restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of their own kitchens. AI and smart recipe customization works hand-in-hand to assist top chefs as well as the traditional home chef. How about a dial-up professional chef to cater to your specific nutritional needs on demand? In the realm of culinary innovation, smart recipe customization enabled by AI algorithms is paving the way for a personalized and tailored cooking experience. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, home cooks can now enjoy recipes that cater to their individual preferences, dietary restrictions, and culinary aspirations like never before. How is AI assisting in the planning of the right foods for the right diet? AI is being utilized to embark on personalizing recipes based on user preferences and dietary needs. AI algorithms have the remarkable ability to personalize recipes based on user preferences and dietary needs, creating a truly customized cooking experience. Whether you're a vegetarian looking for plant-based alternatives or someone with food allergies in need of ingredient substitutions, AI can adapt recipes to suit your specific requirements. By analyzing your taste preferences, nutritional goals, and cooking skill level, AI ensures that every dish you prepare is not only delicious but also aligned with your individual needs. The amazing versatility of AI is adapting recipes for different cuisines and tastes based off of flavors and cravings. One of the standout features of AI-powered recipe customization is its versatility in adapting recipes for different cuisines and tastes. Whether you're craving Italian pasta, Mexican tacos, or Asian stir-fry, AI can provide tailored recipes that capture the essence of each cuisine while accommodating your flavor preferences. With AI, you can embark on a culinary journey around the world without leaving your kitchen, exploring new flavors and techniques with confidence. Now your menu can be created with some imagination and culinary cravings. Through the convenience of smart recipe customizations via AI interfaces like Flavor Pro, you can now imagine it, create it, and now cook it. To showcase the convenience of smart recipe customization, AI interfaces like Flavor Pro offer a user-friendly platform that simplifies the recipe customization process. With just a few clicks, users can input their dietary restrictions, flavor preferences, and ingredient availability, and receive personalized recipe recommendations tailored to their needs. Flavor Pro's intuitive interface makes it easy to experiment with different ingredients, flavors, and cooking techniques, empowering home cooks to unleash their creativity in the kitchen with the guidance of AI technology. Another amazing culinary issue AI has begun to eat up is the power of AI-driven food waste reduction. In the fight against food waste, AI technologies are emerging as powerful allies, offering smart solutions for inventory management and meal planning that can revolutionize the way we approach food consumption. By harnessing the capabilities of artificial intelligence, we can optimize ingredient usage, reduce food spoilage, and minimize waste, ultimately contributing to a more sustainable and efficient food system. AI is also assisting in the planning of more efficient meals, helping with optimizing ingredient usage and reducing food spoilage. AI plays a crucial role in optimizing ingredient usage and reducing food spoilage by providing real-time insights and recommendations to help home cooks make the most of their ingredients. By analyzing factors such as expiration dates, ingredient quantities, and cooking preferences, AI can suggest creative ways to use up ingredients before they spoil, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. With AI-powered inventory management systems, users can track their food supplies, receive alerts for items nearing expiration, and access recipe suggestions to make the most of every ingredient in their pantry. AI is helping with family and restaurant culinary budgets as well. By showcasing AI applications that suggest recipes based on available ingredients, AI is assisting with the easing of managing soaring food costs and food waste. One of the standout applications of AI in combating food waste is its ability to suggest recipes based on available ingredients, helping users make use of what they have on hand and minimize waste. By inputting the ingredients they have in their kitchen, users can receive personalized recipe recommendations that utilize those ingredients, reducing the need for additional grocery purchases and ensuring that unused items do not end up in the trash. This innovative approach not only promotes resourcefulness and creativity in the kitchen but also contributes to a more sustainable food consumption model. AI is also helping the food wasting environmental issue by emphasizing the environmental impact of AI-driven food waste reduction strategies. The environmental impact of AI-driven food waste reduction strategies cannot be overstated. By leveraging AI technologies to optimize ingredient usage, reduce food spoilage, and minimize waste, we can significantly decrease the amount of food that ends up in landfills, where it contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental degradation. Through smart solutions powered by AI, we can work towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to food consumption, benefiting both the planet and future generations. Let's now turn to the exciting future trends and innovations in AI-driven smart cooking. As we look ahead to the future of cooking, AI advancements are paving the way for a new era of smart culinary experiences that promise to revolutionize the way we prepare and enjoy food. From predictive meal preparation to autonomous kitchen systems, the possibilities are endless as we explore the futuristic trends in smart cooking enabled by the cutting-edge capabilities of artificial intelligence. Please let us know in the comments below how you would love to see AI affect our culinary world and how you would like to see AI take the entire culinary experience to the next level. One of the upcoming AI innovations is focusing on predictive meal preparation and cooking automation. One of the most exciting trends in smart cooking is the rise of predictive meal preparation and cooking automation powered by AI. Imagine a kitchen where your appliances anticipate your culinary needs, suggest recipes based on your preferences, and even start cooking before you step foot in the kitchen. With AI algorithms analyzing data on your cooking habits, ingredient inventory, and dietary requirements, meal preparation becomes a seamless and intuitive process, saving you time and effort while ensuring delicious results every time. Let's dig deep and unveil one of the most powerful secrets that have been revealed in the culinary world today: the potential of AI in creating seamless kitchen experiences through IoT integration. The integration of AI with Internet of Things (IoT) technology holds immense potential in creating seamless kitchen experiences that are interconnected and intelligent. By connecting kitchen appliances, devices, and systems through IoT networks, AI can orchestrate a harmonious cooking environment where everything works in sync to enhance efficiency and convenience. Picture a kitchen where your refrigerator communicates with your oven to suggest recipes based on available ingredients, or where your smart assistant coordinates cooking tasks across multiple appliances for a coordinated and stress-free cooking experience. AI is even changing how our kitchens are designed, landscaped, and developed. In the future kitchen landscape driven by AI technologies, we envision a world where cooking is not just a chore but a delightful and effortless experience. From self-learning cooking systems that adapt to your preferences to personalized meal recommendations based on your health goals, the future kitchen will be a hub of innovation and creativity, where AI serves as your culinary companion, guiding you through every step of the cooking process with precision and flair. Join us as we embark on a journey into the future of smart cooking, where imagination meets reality in the kitchen of tomorrow. In this video, we have explored the exciting possibilities of smart cooking with AI technologies, showcasing how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we approach food preparation and consumption. From personalized recipe recommendations to predictive meal preparation and cooking automation, AI is reshaping the culinary landscape and offering innovative solutions to enhance efficiency and creativity in the kitchen. As we look towards the future of cooking, it's clear that AI will play a pivotal role in revolutionizing our culinary experiences and empowering us to unleash our full potential as home cooks. Let's recap the benefits of AI in enhancing cooking processes and efficiency. Throughout this video, we have highlighted the numerous benefits of AI in enhancing cooking processes and efficiency. AI-powered kitchen assistants streamline recipe recommendations and cooking instructions, optimize ingredient measurements, and reduce food waste, ultimately making cooking more enjoyable and accessible for everyone. By harnessing the power of AI, home cooks can save time, minimize errors, and explore new culinary horizons with confidence. We encourage you, our viewers, to embrace the future of smart cooking by exploring AI-powered kitchen devices and recipe customization tools that can elevate your culinary experiences. Whether you're looking to simplify meal planning, experiment with new flavors, or reduce food waste, AI technologies offer a wealth of possibilities to enhance your cooking journey and inspire your creativity in the kitchen. If you found this video informative and inspiring, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI in cooking, like this video, and share it with your friends and family to spread awareness about the exciting advancements in smart cooking. Together, let's embrace the future of cooking with AI technologies and unlock a world of culinary possibilities right in our own kitchens. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure, and we look forward to exploring the endless possibilities of smart cooking with you.